What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alethea. For those of you that are new here, I want to go ahead and say thank you for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Videos are part of my Use My Juvia's Place palettes looks. And for this look, I could use the Juvia's Place Tri palette. And I don't know why I'm showing you guys this, because I show it when I'm doing my makeup. But yeah, I'm going to use this palette to create this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look using this palette, then please continue to watch. Okay, so of course you all can see I've already done my face, and lately with the videos that I've been making, I do my face first, okay, so that can be out of the way, because y'all know I used to be a do my eyes and then face type of girl, but when I did my face, my whole life, my whole makeup life changed. Well, anyway, oh, and let me tell y'all, before we get into this video, I ended up having to go to Ulta yesterday to get me a brow pen. Ended up purchasing two, and I just went ahead and got two out the way and used my 20% off coupon to get them. I'm on a no buy. I'm on a self-proclaimed no buy for makeup until, my nose is itching, until essentially April, I guess, because I'm gonna go through the whole month of January, the whole month of February, the whole month of February, and then the month of March. And then April, you know, if there's something I want to get or something like that, I'll get it, which is around the time I think Sephora does their 20% off sale. And I think Ulta usually does. Ulta, I can't even predict their 21-day sales. But anyway, so, but I ran out of my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And remember when I said if it's something that I need, a makeup no buy goes out the window. So I had to go and get me one, because I used one of these other pencils that I had and my brows bothered me. Oh my gosh. I should have never ever tried this brow pencil, because now I'm hooked on it. So, and usually it's in Ulta's 21-day sale. So I promise you, when they come back, and they usually come at half off, when that sale comes back, your girl is stocking up for the rest of the year. So with that being said, today for this look, I'm using the Juvia's Place Tri palette, and I actually used this palette the other day for a look, and yeah, it's like bomb. And let me go ahead and prime my lid. And today I'm going to use my Fenty, what's this, concealer to prime my lids. Y'all know I use different things to prime my lids, and today I'm going to use this concealer. And what I've been doing when I do my lids is just taking my makeup sponge that I do my concealer with and rubbing that in on my eye. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color Aromo for my crease, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. This one, Aromo. I'm just going to put that color in my crease as a transition color. For my brow bone, I don't necessarily want to highlight, so I'm just going to take some foundation powder and just use my MAC foundation, and this is in the color NC42. Been had this for quite some time, and I'll just take this and put it on my brow bone, because I'm not trying to highlight my brow bone. You guys know sometimes I don't highlight my brow bone. I just want to set that concealer that is on my brow bone. And then I'm going to take the same brush, I'm not going to add any color to it, and I'm just going to go back over my transition color just to make sure that that powder didn't go down too far. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here called Sand in the bottom right hand corner of the palette, and I'm just going to put this into the outer corner of my eye. Just going to pat that in there. I'm not going to spread it, I'm just going to pat it in and just get a good little bit in there. Let me use my other so I can turn this way for you guys. Now that I have have that color packed in the corners, I'm just gonna take, and I'm just wiping it off. I keep a washcloth, like a dark washcloth on my table. I'm just gonna take it and rub that excess color off, and then I'm gonna take this and just blend it up. Blend it up ever so lightly. And I want that color to go all the way into my crease. So therefore, that's why I did that. Now, if I need to put some more color on, which I think I do, I'm just gonna add some color to it. Just bring it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like I said, I don't want that color too far up in my crease. And then I'm going to take and put a little bit more over in this corner, just to get a little bit on this portion of my lid. See, I think that's about where I want it at. And then I'm going to take my brush and put a little bit more of my crease color right up over here, just to kind of make that transition seamless. Blend those two colors together. Now that I've done that, I've got both of them like what I want. I'm going to take this color right here called Deceptive. No, actually the color is called Coral. Look at this color in this palette. Looks like it may be like a yellowish, a yellow type of color. But watch this deception. So let me find my brush. Some of this color. Now I want you to see the one I'm taking it from. Some of this color right here. And just watch this deception. Do y'all see that green color? Do you see that chartreuse green color? Now let me finish it. Juvia's place lied to us. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that color is just so pretty. It is so pretty. So now, before I finish my face, I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to take this color right here called Masai. This is another color. This is kind of like a lime green color. I'm just going to take this color and put a little bit on the brush. I'm just going to go inside my crease with this brush right here along the top of this color, just to kind of bring that together. Not a whole lot of color. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eyes for now. So what I'm going to do is go in and finish the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come finish the eyes. So now I am pretty much finished with my face. I am going to spray my face one more time, but not yet. Not just yet. So now I'm going to line my waterline with this black eyebrow pencil from Urban Decay. Well, eyeliner pencil, my bad. Then I'm going to take the color Sun, the one we put over in the outer corner. I'm just going to put this on my bottom lid, my bottom waterline. Just in the corner. And then I am going to take this color Tootsie right here, this lime green, dark lime green looking color. I'm going to put this one right over here. And then I think I'm going to put a color in my tear duct. I'm actually going to put, let's see, this color Chaga in my tear duct, inner tear duct. Now for my top liner, I'm going to take this liquid eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just gonna line my lid with this. And I do like to wing out my liner. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara. I cannot guarantee you guys I'm gonna put on lashes today because, let me be truthfully honest, most of the time when I put on the lashes, I take them right off because I'm gonna put on my glasses. And because my eyelashes are already a good length when I put the mascara on, if I put my glasses on with lashes on, it just, they flicker more against the lens, which they do that sometimes by themselves. So some days I'll not wear my glasses, which, you know, you guys know I can see without my glasses, but of course, the more you wear your glasses, the more it becomes an issue when you don't wear them. So I'm gonna put mascara on, and I'm going to come back with my clothes on, and then I'm going to do the lips. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back, and I did go ahead and just put on mascara. I decided against putting on the lashes because, once again, I was just gonna simply take them off. So for my lips, I'm going to use the ColourPop Time Shayla BFF4 pencil. I've been using this lately with my lip combos because it's been working really good, because I've been wearing like nude lips. With this look right here, I don't match everything, but I wanted to match it with this shirt, my eye look. And this is a summer shirt. Okay, this is a summer shirt. And here goes P. Where you think you going with that summer shirt on? Like, get out of my business. All right, so anyway, for my lip color, I'm going to use, and this is, I need to look up this company and see what's the deal behind the Queen with the V versus with the U. And the color is called Thick Skin. And so I'm just gonna put this color on my lips. It's just a really nice neutral color. So today is Sunday, January 19th, and we are about to go and see the movie Just Mercy. And yesterday we went to see Bad Boys for Life. So I don't know when I'm gonna put this video up, but I'm going to say, because of the type of movie that it is, to go ahead and go see it. But I will definitely tell you, Bad Boys for Life, if you go and see that, you'll be in for a treat. So go and see that. So anyway, this is the completed look. And I just added some earrings, and of course my little turtle necklace. I love this little turtle necklace. And yeah, so in my hair, my curls are popping. See, at the end you can see my curls today, or at least you should be able to see them, because I kind of sprayed my ends just a little bit because I wanted my curls to be popping. So yeah. All right, so I do hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you would like to see next on my channel. So I'm trying to do a combination of doing makeup videos, doing lock videos, and whatever else in between that I decide to share on my channel. So if there's something that you would like to see right here on this channel, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And one of the things I've never done a Q&A. If you think I should do a Q&A, go ahead and leave that down below and tell me what you think about that. So yeah, I guess that's it. So like I said, as always, thank you to my ride or dies, my oldie but goodies, for coming back. Thank you to the newbies, and thank you for those of you that this is your first time clicking on a video of mine and you're watching. Go ahead and like it. And stay tuned for the next video. And per YouTube, I'm going to put a couple of videos probably on this side or either on this side for your viewing pleasure, along with the subscribe button. So yeah, come on back and check out the shenanigans that I have coming on my channel. So in the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and you know the drill. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go into this slow motion thing. Like, what's his name? Juvia says slow motion for me.